Hello, my dear students, class 6. Welcome back. Hope all are fine. As you all know that we have shared one video of chapter second with you, and this is the second video. And in the previous video, which was of the chapter second first video, we have learned about the whole numbers, the type of numbers in which I told you about the natural numbers and the whole numbers, and then I discussed about the predecessor, successor, and the number line. So we have learned about the basics of the number line in the previous video. Now in this video we will learn how to do addition, subtraction, and multiplication on the number line. But before proceeding, I would like to repeat some few important points. That first of all, what is a number line? As you can see here, that I have drawn a number line here for you. This is a number line. So what is a number line? A straight line and the number written over it with the equal distance between them, and that equal distance is of a unit distance. So this is a number line. We have written number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over it. These are the numbers written over a line, and it's a number line. And in number line, what happens? In number lines, in the right hand side of the number, in the right hand side of a number, the number goes on increasing, while in the left hand side of a given number, like if we see on this left hand side of the 7, then what we see, the number are in the decreasing order, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. While if we see on the right hand side of 2, what we see, that the numbers are going on increasing. So in the right hand side, numbers are going on increasing, while in the left hand side, the number are going on decreasing on the number line. Now let's come to our next point, that is the addition on the number line. How to do addition on the number line? We all know very well how to add the numbers, how to do the addition. But now the point is that how to do addition on the number line. Let's learn how to do addition on the number line. There is the topic in front of you. I have written over here, addition on the number line. As you can see here, there is a line, number line, and suppose we have to add 2 plus 1. We have to add the two numbers 2 and 1. So how we will add 2 and 1? So what we have to do is that first of all we will see that the two numbers which we are adding. So we have to add 2 to 1 or 1 to 2. It means the same thing. So whenever we have to do addition on the number line, then what we do? We jump as many times to the right of the given number. As many number we have to add. Now we have to add 1 to the number 2. So we will jump one time from 2 at the unit distance. When we will jump one time with the unit distance from 2, then where we reach? We reach at 3. So it means, what is the addition of 2 plus 1? That is 3. So that's how we do addition on the number line. What we do, I would like to repeat, whatever number we are adding in the given number, like we are adding 1 in 2. So what we did, we jumped one time from 2, and when we jumped one time from 2 with a unit distance, then we reached at the next number, that is 3. So that is how we do on the addition. What we do, we jump as many times with the unit distance as much number we have to add in the given number. Let's take a new example. Suppose we have to add 3 and 4. We have to add 4 to the number 3. We all know very well that the answer is 7, but how to show this addition on the number line, that is important. So what we will do, we will start from the given number, that is 3. Here we will start and we will jump 4 times with the unit distance from 3. 1 time, and this is 2 time, and this is 3 time, and this is 4 time. Where we reach after the 4th jump? We reached at 7. So it means 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, and that is how we will show our answer on the number line. Suppose we have to add 2 and 5. Then what we will do? we will start from the 2 and we will jump with the unit distance 5 times, because we are adding 5 into 1 time jump, 2 time jump, 3 time jump, 4 time jump, 5 time jump, and we reached end 7. So that is our answer, and this is the way to show addition on the number line. Now let's take some more examples. Suppose we have to add 2 plus 3. We have to add 2 and 3. So what we will do, we will start from 2, and because we have to add 3 in 2. So how many times we have to jump? We have to jump 3 times. So 1 time, 2 time, and 3 time. And where we reach? We reach at 5 after jumping. So what is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5, and how we have shown it? Like this, we have shown it, the addition on the number line. So that is the addition on the number line. Let's take one more example. Suppose we have to add 3 and 4. What we will do? We will start from the 3 and we are adding 4. So we have to jump 4 units from 3. So what we will do? We'll start from 3 and we will jump 1, 2, 3 and 4 units. Where we reach? We reach at 7. So 7 is the answer. Let's take one more example. We have to add 3 and 9. So what we will do? We will jump 9 units from 3. So let's start from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We jumped 9 times, 9 units from 3. And where we reached? We reached at 12. So 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. That is the answer, and that is how we show the addition on the number line. I hope you have understood. So what does the rule of addition say? The rule of addition says that to do addition on the number line, we have to jump as many units to the right of the given number as much number we are adding. Jump as many units to the right of the given number as much number we are adding. So for addition, we have to jump to the right of the given number. Now let's see how to do subtraction on the number line. How to do subtraction on the number line. So what does we do in the subtraction? We all know very well the simple process of subtraction, that how to do subtraction, but the point is that how to show subtraction on the number line. So first example we are going to take, that is subtract 2 from 5. That is 5 minus 2. We have to subtract 2 from 5. So the given number is 5 and we have to subtract 2 from it. So from where we will start? We will start from the 5. And we will do the same process as we do in the addition. But there is a little change, and that change is this, that while doing addition, we move to the right, or we jump to the right of the given number. But in subtraction, we jump to the left of the given number. That is the important point. So to do subtraction, to subtract 2 from 5, we will jump 2 units, but not to the right, to the left of 5. 1 jump and 2 jump. After 2 jump of unit distance, where we reach at 3. So it means 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. I hope it is clear to you that how do we show subtraction on the number line. To show the subtraction, we jump from the given number to the left side of the number with the unit distance. And how many jumps we take? As much number we are subtracting, as many jumps we have to take from the given number to its left side. What were we doing in the addition? In addition, we were also taking jump with the unit distance from the given number, but we were taking jump to the right of the given number for doing addition. But in subtraction, we have to jump to the left of the given number. Let's take another example. Suppose we have to subtract 7 minus 6. We have to subtract 6 from 7. We all know that 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. But how to show? So first of all, we are subtracting from 7. And what we are subtracting from 7? We are subtracting 6 from 7. So what we have to do? We have to start from the 7. And what we have to do now? We have to jump from 7 to the left of 7. This is the left of 7. And how many times we have to jump? Because we are subtracting 6, so we have to jump 6 units or 6 times. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time and 6 times. 6 times we jumped from the 7 to its left side, and after jumping 6 times where we reached? We reached at 1. So that is the answer, that 7 minus 6 is equals to 1, and this is the process to show the subtraction on the number line. I hope you have understood this very well. Now, to make it more perfect, let's take one more example. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract 5 from 11. 5 from 11 means we will start from 11 and we will jump 5 times with the unit distance to the left of 11 for the subtraction. So where is 11? Here is 11. From here we will start, and to the left side of 11 we will jump 5 times 5 units distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after 5 jumps with the unit distance where we reached at the number 6. What does it mean? It means 11 minus 5 is equals to 6. And this is the way to show the subtraction. So that's how we do subtraction on the number line. I hope the addition on the number line and the subtraction on the number line, both these subtopics are clear to you. And if in any case you find any confusion, then you can contact me through the WhatsApp or through the comment section of the YouTube. So finally, what is the rule for the subtraction? The rule for subtraction is that to do subtraction on the number line, we have to jump backside or to the left of the given number. We have to jump backside or to the left of the given number. How many times? As many times we are subtracting the number. That is the rule of subtraction for the number line.